Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Chime. So Chime is an online financial tech company that offers checking and savings account. If you do not have a Chime account yet, you could sign up using our link on the description box below, and you will get $100 once you set up a direct deposit of $200 or more. Once you click on our affiliate link, you will be directed to this page. To sign up, enter a valid email address, then click on the Get Started button. Now, enter your first name and last name. Then click on Next. Here, enter your date of birth. Then click on Next. After that, enter your phone number. And click on Next. Then enter your street address. Once you've entered it, several fields will appear, and fill it with your complete address. Then click on Next. Now create a password for your account. Enter it on the password field, then click on Next. Then enter your SSN or Social Security number. Now you will be asked additional information such as your source of income, what do you do for work, and how did you hear about Chime? After answering, click on Next. Now, read the following agreement regarding checking account and credit builder. After reading, click on the tick boxes under checking account. If you wish not to have a credit builder sign, it is just optional. However, if you wish to have a credit builder, just click on the tick box beside Agree to All, to agree with both checking account and credit builder's agreement and privacy policy. After that, click on the Submit Application button. To finish the account setup, download the Chime app on App Store or Google Play. After downloading, open the Chime app. Once the app is open, click on Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Before you proceed, create a mobile unlock passcode. Then enter it again to confirm. On this screen, you'll be asked if you wish to set up direct deposit. If you wish to, click on Set up direct deposit. But in this video, I wish not to set it up, so I click on No Thanks. Then here, they will ask if you want to add money to your spending account. If you wish to, click on one of the options provided. However, in this video I chose to add later. After that, you will be directed to the main screen. That's how you sign up for Chime. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.